Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my Recurring Royalties AI review by the one and only Dave Espino. This is the man. He's right here on the sales page talking about, would you not like to create something once and then get paid for it over and over and over again, like he's showing you right on the screen. So he has published 15 books on Amazon KDP. Yes, that's the platform we are talking about. And has sold close to 600 units so far. Well, he clearly knows what he is doing and talking about. Well, talking about and doing, right? He's walking the talk, as they say. So that's what's Recurring Royalties AI precisely all about. But as he said, as the headline here says, now you can make an ongoing royalty income with super easy low content books that sell on Amazon like crazy. Low content, well, what's low content? Your coloring books, planners, some low content essentially means like there isn't too much text to it, right? That's how I understand it anyway. So yeah, that's what it means in simple terms. And right, okay, let's get to it. I have the training course right here. I have watched the whole content of the training course. Some of the stuff I have learned, some of the, as you can see, like most of the videos are sort of like sweet and short to the point, you know, around 5 minutes long, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. This one is quite extensive on how to create book pages using Midjourney or any other tools. If you have, Ike was, launched quite some time ago, a very cool AI coloring page creator called Nuri Creator. Lovely, lovely tool. But by the way, you can do it also with Midjourney. Okay, so you don't have to have a paid tool, even though Midjourney is paid, right? It's monthly payments, around $10 if I well remember. I don't use Midjourney personally. I have another AI generating tools that I use. CR.ai is a very cool one because it also gets the text right, which I appreciate because I use it a lot for creating thumbnails, but that's, I know, I'm getting carried away. Changing the subjects slowly, not slowly, slowly but surely, slightly, that's what I meant. Guys, and then there's a very good video on how to do it, how to list your physical books on Amazon KDP. That's your print on demand, essentially, right? So this video is around 13 minutes long. There's a conclusion. So he takes you through the whole process and he shows you how he does it. With a nice twist to it, with his spin to it. Again, you know, he's got a lot of experience because making sales consistently. Dave has published many books on Amazon as he talks about that precisely in this VSL, so video sales letter, only just over 2 minutes long. Watch it. You will get to the sales page via my written review, which I put below in the description box below this YouTube review. And you have it, guys. I have started doing both, right? I've been doing YouTube for years, but close to 1,000 reviews now. You can check it. But so very consistent. I love it. I do like shooting video reviews, but I also started writing reviews. Okay, I publish them, different ones on LinkedIn as well. So it's like the more platforms you share your content across, the better, of course. But at the beginning, it's like, personally, I advise to focus on one source of traffic, ideally free traffic, unless you have a lot of money to burn, then go into paid traffic. But YouTube is just perfect to start with. It's the tendency I see, I mean, people like to read and watch, but a lot of people would rather watch these days, because I think the more in the beta waves. Not beta waves. Beta waves are more analytical. Alpha waves, which are more like receiving, right? But that's another story. Okay, so I put it all together. Here I talk about my experience with Dave Espino. Okay, I have reviewed so many of his products in the past. That's why I just share my experience with you in this review. I go through the features of the product, through the benefits, who is it for, the whole funnel. You have the prices, go through the funnel, just, as you can see, the front end is $17. So take what you want, leave what you don't want. There will be some trials, there will be some bundle deals. As you pick up the front end offer, you will be presented with the upsell. So listen to Dave. If you decide, okay, I can resonate with that, I think this is going to be helpful, beneficial for me, pick it up. If not, keep moving, okay? Don't sweat, keep moving. And don't sweat. And here are the bonuses, even though it's great to sweat, as a result of physical activity, of course, or in the sauna, okay? And now here are the splendid bonuses I have created for you, custom made, yes, created by me. After having gone through the whole content of this training course, I felt like, okay, let me create some helpful bonuses to add value to this already very, very valuable product. There are some bonuses which you see, they're 77 minutes long. It's a very long tutorial, extensive on Amazon KDP. You will be an Amazon KDP master after having watched this tutorial. There's another very in-depth one on Midjourney, even how to make thousands a month with puzzle books, how to create puzzle books. That one was actually taken from Dave and James Renouve's YouTube channel, where they talk about this phenomenon, okay, with puzzle books on Amazon and how they sell like hot cross buns. But going back to my review, check out the bonuses. So I created these like to the point, step by step, yet quite comprehensive, very, very valuable bonus reports. I'll show them to you, okay? Some of them. But check out what I created for you guys. Five bonuses, and then I'm gonna give you additional one on Midjourney, because as we know, Midjourney has moved from Discord to website, okay? So there's some slight changes. And I do have a bonus on that one, which I created like a month or 2 months ago, which is still like, up to date, fresh, up to date. That's the point. So here we have the bonuses. The bonus number 1, I give you access to if you pick up this offer via the link below my review. I mean, through my written review, go buy now, and then you will be taken to the sales page. Okay. And from the sales page, the product is going live anytime soon in just over 2 hours. 10 a.m. New York time, smash this join now button, okay, and you will be taken to, that's Dave, you will be taken to the checkout, $17. I really do like Dave. I love how he delivers the content. What I appreciate most about him is his transparency, and he's like, do this, that, okay, this is my experience, this is something I can show you how to do because I've been doing this myself. At the same time, he admits, okay, I'm not an expert when it comes to that, so he would recommend some other sources. He's very transparent. Despite his crazy success, he's so down to earth. It's like almost refreshing. But anyhow, so my bonus is AI design toolkit for low content books. You see, guys, how custom made and relevant to this product these bonuses are, because this product is about creating and publishing low content books specifically. Okay. So there you go. Next one is AI prompt engineering for book creation. It's about the prompt you feed to AI. It's all about the prompt, the output will depend on the input. You've got to master the prompt engineering. Next one, marketing mastery for low content books. Then niche research guide for profitable books. Low content book creation blueprint. Guys, what else do you want? Okay. So my written review, and from there you get to the sales page. The link is below, okay? Now let me just show you some of I'll give you access to this one, Midjourney Magic. As you can see, 32 pages long, okay? So you will have access to it, like a comprehensive tutorial on the new web-based Midjourney, okay? And then all of the rest of the bonuses. So let me give you no, that's not the one. That's about natural remedies. I created these bonuses for Alessandro Zamboni's launch that I also promoted, but let me see if I can find them. Okay, an example of the bonus guide that I give you access to It's called Niche Research Guide for Profitable Books. So there are anything not too lengthy, anything from 8 to 10 pages. Okay? Very concrete, very like I show you actionable steps. This is what you need to do. Okay, so implement that and you will be golden. Right guys, so that's that. As you can see, this is the course content. Some of the bonuses are quite extensive tutorials. So the bonuses you get from the vendor on top of just the front end. There will be some upsells. Go through the upsells on my written review. Some recurring, some bundle deals. Again, whatever applies to your business needs, pick it up. If not, keep moving, as I already said. Alright guys, that's it. Okay, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.